Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to day 8 of our 21 days nutrition gist. So here's it about today's gist. As much as you can, cook your own meals. See, I'm wearing a chef cap. Yes, today is Chef Nutriojay. As much as you can, please cook your own meals because you know the ingredients that you're putting in it. There's no artificial, there's no too much things that you don't know anything about. You know all the ingredients that you're adding to your food, so that way you can eat healthy because you know all the ingredients that you're adding to your food. So as much as you can, please cook your meals, cook at home, explore with all the ingredients that you have in your house, do different recipes, make your imagination to just soar. Importantly, cook your own meals. That'll be all for today. Thank you very much.